This morning, an unprecedented move. The Justice Department bringing criminal charges against former FBI Director James Comey, a dramatic escalation after President Trump called for his prosecution. Comey now faces charges of making a false statement and obstruction of a congressional proceeding. The former FBI director posting a video overnight claiming his family has paid the price for standing up to Trump.
My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
The indictment comes just days after President Trump issued a public demand, calling on his Justice Department to act now to bring prosecutions against his perceived political enemies. The president now denying pushing prosecutors to charge Comey.
They're going to make a determination. I'm not making that determination. I think I'd be allowed to get involved if I want, but I don't really choose to do so.
But Democrats say Trump is weaponizing the Justice Department.
It is unconscionable that we would have a president of the United States direct his attorney general to criminally charge a political adversary of his when the evidence is so clearly not there.
The investigation relates to Comey's 2020 congressional testimony about Russian interference in the 2016 election. Sources tell ABC News prosecutors had presented the new U.S. Attorney for Eastern Virginia, Lindsay Halligan, with a memo recommending Comey not be charged with the crime due to a lack of evidence. But sources also say in another highly unusual move, Halligan presented the charges against Comey directly to the grand jury herself because other prosecutors in the office refused to attend, given their reservations about the case.
These are serious felonies. He does face up to 5 years in prison.
In a statement, Halligan writes, "The charges as alleged in this case represent a breach of the public trust at an extraordinary level." And FBI Director Kash Patel writing, "No one is above the law." Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.